Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to take a regular flip photo from your phone and turn it into professional looking photo picture for your menu or Instagram post with using Gemini and Canva. Let's get started. We're going to begin inside Gemini. I'm using a regular food photo I already took on my phone. Nothing fancy, just the kind of picture you might quickly snap before eating. Once I upload the photo, I'm not asking Gemini to create a new image yet. First, I want Gemini to understand exactly what this food is. So the first thing I ask Gemini to do is describe the photo in really clear detail. I type this: describe this food photo in extreme detail for an AI image generator. Focus only on what is visually present: the ingredients, textures, colors, plating, camera angle, lighting, and how the food is arranged on the plate. Do not suggest improvements, new props, or changes. This description will be used to preserve the exact food appearance. Here's why this step matters. Sometimes the food we make is unique. Maybe it's a special sauce, a fusion idea, or something your restaurant created yourself. If the AI doesn't fully understand what it's looking at, it starts guessing. And when the AI guesses, things change. Ingredients disappear, colors shift, extra decorations suddenly show up. By letting Gemini describe the photo first, we give the AI a very clear understanding of what the dish actually is, the textures, the arrangement, and the real look of the food. This makes it much less likely to change things later. Once Gemini finishes this description, I use it as my foundation. Now we move to phase 2. Instead of re-describing the food, I tell the AI how to present it. Here's the prompt I use next. Act as a professional food photographer. Using the exact food described above, present this menu item in an Instagram-ready setting, improve lighting, background, and overall mood only. Do not change the food, ingredients, plating, or proportions. Keep it realistic and natural. Aspect ratio 4:5. This part is really important. I'm clearly telling the AI, don't redesign the dish, don't add props, don't replace ingredients. All I want is better lighting, a cleaner background, and a more professional presentation. Because I'm posting on Instagram, I also specify the 4:5 ratio so it fits perfectly in the feed. Once Gemini generates the upgraded image, I review it. If it looks too shiny, too fake, or too AI looking, I don't start over. I just make small tweaks, like make it look realistic, not AI generated, use natural lighting, no extra decorations, keep colors true to life. Small adjustments like this make a huge difference. They're what make the photo feel real and usable. At this point, we've gone from a quick phone photo to something clean, polished, and professional without changing the actual food. If there's a watermark or I want to clean up the edges, I bring the image into Canva. From there, I can easily crop, clean, or place it into a menu or Instagram layout so it's ready to use. And that's the full process. If this helped you, let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching.